Alright, so, yeah, there's a bigger undertaking that I'm about to have to plan out. But, before that, I just wanted to go over some stuff that I had written down. Um, I got some free time at the moment. And, I never, um, did that video on the ripple effect or, my kind of irkedness about, like, money being energy. So, I feel like this is a way to tie all that together. So, like, if you're looking at the natal chart, and similar to the method of the looking 2 signs ahead and not solving the sign you're on, what this is kind of how, when you start on one sign, and then, like, when you drop, like, a rock into, a body of water, it, like, ripples out to the, the next 2 signs next to it. And then, there's another ripple, like, to the next 2. So, like, say if you start at Aries, then it would ripple to, Taurus and Pisces. And when I was thinking about that, it's like, okay, there's the drive to do something new, but then, what is that going to require? And then, like, that would ripple out to Taurus and Pisces. That means, money coming from, like, imaginations and, the real big picture of what's happening, and creating, like, a security for that, stability there. And then going on to the next ripple from there would be Gemini and Aquarius, which is, basically getting a bunch of buzz about that. And then you got, Cancer and Capricorn, which is creating a structure that works in people's, homes and can be maintained in that way. And then from there you got Leo and Sagittarius, so that means basically people getting to do a bunch of whole, explore and get to do a whole bunch of new cool stuff, basically. And then, you got Virgo and Scorpio, people sorting out, like, their, when they get around each other, little things that poke at them, and, like, sorting through those, depths. And then from there, everyone gets paired with, like, the right partner and stuff. So with that, from there I want to say, you'll see how this connects. Jumping to the next point, I kind of touched on it for a moment in the end of the other video, but I understand the point behind saying money is energy, to emphasize the, how, money is what you do with it, but what's being overlooked with that is, or just kind of ignored for the sake of, obtaining that now, is that you can be doing the best thing in the world, but if the only reason you're getting to do the best thing in the world is because it's being funded by, like, the most evil stuff in the world,